Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Ryobi Wacker head is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining a pristine yard, transforming a frustrating chore into a satisfying task by ensuring your string trimmer operates at peak efficiency, effortlessly tackling stubborn weeds and overgrown edges with precision and power, making your landscaping efforts truly shine. Number 5. Ryobi Trimmer Line Replacement Kit. Upgrade your Ryobi cordless string trimmer with this essential replacement kit. It's designed to seamlessly fit all Ryobi ONE++ single-line models, ensuring perfect compatibility. Experience superior cutting power and longevity. This .080-inch twisted trimmer line is engineered for added durability, tackling tough weeds with ease. Save time and effort with pre-wound spools. Replacing your trimmer line has never been simpler, getting you back to yard work faster. Each spool provides 11 feet of high-quality, 0.080-inch diameter line. This ensures consistent performance and effective trimming every time you use it. Your purchase includes everything you need for multiple replacements. You'll receive 6 string trimmer spool lines and 1 cap cover, providing great value. What we like. This replacement line offers enhanced durability with its twisted design. Its pre-wound spools make installation quick and hassle-free. If you value efficiency and a long-lasting cutting solution for your Ryobi cordless trimmer, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted as requested. Number 4. ANLEOLIFE .080 in twisted line spool for Ryobi trimmers. This replacement line spool is engineered for Ryobi 18V, 24V, and 40V cordless auto-feed string trimmers. It ensures seamless compatibility and reliable performance for your gardening tasks. Featuring a .080-inch line diameter and 11 feet in length, it's designed to meet your trimming needs. This ensures consistent cutting power and reach. Crafted from high-quality BASF Germany raw materials with an aerodynamic design, it offers superior flexibility and performance. Expect exceptional efficiency and long-lasting durability from it. Its precise spool size and ingenious design make replacing old cartridges simple and hassle-free. Even beginners will find it incredibly easy to install. The innovative twisted line effortlessly slices through grass, light brush, and weeds. It makes your mowing experience more relaxed and efficient. Each package includes 6 replacement spools and 1 cap cover. This provides excellent value, ensuring you're well stocked for future trimming. What we like. Crafted from high-quality BASF materials, this line offers superior flexibility and performance. Its ingenious design ensures hassle-free replacement, perfect for new users. If you're looking for a premium, easy-to-use line that makes mowing more relaxed, this option is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract positive points as the input was empty, therefore no points can be quoted. Number 3. Ryobi Trimmer Head Assembly Replacement Part. This is a genuine replacement part for your Ryobi string trimmer. It ensures the quality and performance you expect from your tools. Is your trimmer head worn out or damaged? This assembly will help restore its cutting efficiency and extend its lifespan. For proper installation, always consult your owner's manual. It provides detailed instructions to ensure a perfect fit and safe operation. Before purchasing, please identify the correct part number in your manual. This ensures you get the exact component needed for your specific model. Refer to the compatibility list to confirm it works with your Ryobi trimmer. This step is crucial for a successful replacement. It is designed for models like P2009, RY15523A, and RY15523AVNM. Ensure your model number matches for optimal performance. What we like. This is a genuine replacement part, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance with specific Ryobi models. It offers a complete head assembly for a seamless swap. If your existing trimmer head is damaged or worn out and you need an authentic, reliable replacement, this is the one to consider. What people say. Number 2. MAYITOP Real Easy Bump Head for Ryobi Straight Shaft. Tired of difficult line changes? It makes trimming easier and more efficient. It's designed for quick and hassle-free operation. Say goodbye to frustrating line reloading. Its real easy design allows you to quickly feed new line without disassembly. You'll spend less time on maintenance and more time trimming. Specifically engineered for Ryobi RY4CSS and RY253SS straight shaft trimmers. This ensures a seamless and secure attachment. It's the ideal replacement part. Constructed with high-quality materials, it's built to withstand tough yard work. You can rely on its performance season after season. It offers long-lasting durability. This is a direct replacement for part numbers 311759014 and AC04156. It guarantees compatibility and optimal function. Get your trimmer back to peak performance. What we like. This real easy bump head simplifies line feeding, making your trimming tasks more efficient. It's specifically designed for certain straight shaft models, ensuring a perfect fit. If you prefer a bump feed system and own a compatible straight shaft trimmer, this head will significantly improve your workflow. What people say. Number 1. WETOOLPLUS Heavy Duty Ryobi Wacker Head ACF HRL2 for Ryobi. This head is specifically engineered to replace the original cap on Ryobi AC14RL3A and AC80RL3 spools. It features a precise snap-on design, utilizing the existing side push-button mechanism for a secure fit. Just press the buttons and lock it into place. Constructed from high-strength, glass fiber-reinforced nylon, it offers superior durability. This bladed head effortlessly cuts through thick weeds, heavy brush, and tough grass. It's ideal for reclaiming overgrown areas where standard trimmers fail. Designed for quick, tool-free changes, its robust design withstands high-impact collisions with rocks and roots. Simply align it with your existing spool and press the side buttons to snap it on securely. This transforms your tool into a powerful brush cutter in seconds. Stop wasting money on constantly replacing nylon string. This heavy-duty replacement provides a long-lasting solution for tough landscaping jobs. It's compatible with dedicated serrated blade refills, ensuring you always have the power to tackle overgrowth. Precision molded blades ensure perfect weight distribution, minimizing vibration even at high RPMs. Its streamlined aerodynamic design reduces wind resistance and noise. Always wear protective gear and inspect the blades regularly for optimal safety. What we like. This heavy-duty bladed head is engineered from reinforced nylon to tackle the toughest weeds and brush. Its snap-on design allows for quick, tool-free installation, transforming your trimmer into a powerful brush cutter. If you frequently deal with overgrown areas and need a durable, line-free solution, this replacement head is your ultimate tool. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract helpful points as the source JSON was empty. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.